Saving leek seeds is a great way to expand your seed stock. However, saving leek seeds takes 2 years to do such. What do I mean? You plant it in the spring of this year as you normally would, and in the fall you let them go. You don't harvest a few of them and allow them to grow all the way through the next fall season. At that point, you will see a head develop on it and tiny little seed pods. Each one of these seed pods will contain 3 or 4 black seeds at the mature state. Now, at this point of the year where we're at now, you can allow them set on the vine or on the stalk as is now, but if you're concerned that they're going to dry out too quick or animals will pick the seeds, or they'll dry out and they'll fall to the ground, you can certainly harvest them early. You want to look and you want to pull them apart, squeeze them, and if there's solid black seeds inside of them, they're just needing to be dried. So what you can do is take and snip your seed heads off, put them in a paper sack, not a plastic sack, a paper sack to allow it to breathe. Let it sit there for 2 or 3 weeks in a corner of your home, and then you'll be able to shake the seeds out and have seeds ready to plant for next spring's garden.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.